Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back with another LEGO video. So today, we'll be taking a look at two of these mini sets. They come in this kind of magazine format, so they're usually taped to it. They're usually sold in the UK, but lately they've been popping up here in Canada, and I've been absolutely loving them. They come with these neat little builds, some of which come with like the little dinosaur figures, which I absolutely love. So I was happy to see this set and an extra one taped on. I love the little dinosaur builds as well. So today we'll be taking a look at the magazine, and I guess we'll be building those little sets too. So this magazine's interesting. It has the Allosaurus all over it, but sadly for some reason LEGO just absolutely won't make the Allosaurus. I don't know why. It shares the body plan and parts from loads of other dinosaurs. They just need to make the head a custom piece. But they also include stuff like the brachiosaurus, all these different things from the LEGO show and movies. Was there a movie? I don't know. But yeah, we got different shots of the Allosaurus. It's looking really cool in LEGO form. You can see the crests on the head, all these cute little angles. So yeah, I was looking through this, and boy oh boy, does it make me want to have the LEGO Allosaurus. Hopefully, maybe if they just keep pumping out content with the Allosaurus without the figure existing, they're going to be like pressured into making it. Because I feel like they advertise it way too often in the shows and whatnot. All the LEGO media has Allosaurus in it, but for some reason it's just not a figure yet. And I don't know, it's kind of hurts not, having Allosaurus as a figure. Maybe they'll have Allosaurus in Dominion and it'll be in a set. Judging by the trailers, it's in there, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we get it as a LEGO figure at least the year the movie comes out, because that would suck. They even got it on the back here as a informational card, and for some reason they say it eats birds. I don't know how they know that. Okay, interesting fact. So there's the magazine, and let's dive into these little sets. So I gotta detach them first. I'll try and not rip the magazine, though that's might be a little hard. If I just go slow. I didn't go slow enough, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's massacred. Yikes. We lost part of the front of the magazine. Oh, that's so unfortunate. Okay. Oh, we got them out. Oh, they're so cute. I can't wait to find more, because these, man, I love these. I love collecting the LEGO sets, and these are like cute little add-ons. I really wish they had these like in LEGO stores, but I guess Walmart will do. So we'll start with the Owen set. It has a little blue raptor in the back to show scale, I guess. Probably gonna move the camera down so you guys can see this. Let's get it just right. So there are the pieces. Shoot. I think the instructions are inside. This is gonna suck for the Rex, because I'm definitely not looking up the instructions for that. We'll just, I guess, fly blind. Where are the instructions? Bingo. So we got this little cockpit. And I like the fact that they're so small. Like, they have a little vehicle, I think, in this lineup. Whoops. And a little cage to be pulled by the vehicle and whatnot. So, like, if people can't afford the actual helicopter sets and whatnot, these are a cute little alternative, I guess. But yeah, no, they're probably only sold in the UK and Canada. As far as I know, that's what I've read on the internet. But they're also available online for a decent price. If you're a collector, it's not that bad to go out of your way just to get these, because they're quite cute and super collectible. I think they came out during the first wave of figures. That was quite a while ago, but they were, there's a few cool ones. They had Owen with a little watchtower, a brick-built stegosaurus, and stuff like that. But it looks like they've upped their game, because now they've got like full-on sets, lots of pieces inside, because the first kind of wave had like Owen, raptor, and a gun, and that's it, and stuff like that, and single figures with no sets attached to them. So now they've got like extra pieces and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. Am I missing something? Uh-oh. No. It looks like I might be missing a piece. Weird. Ah, that sucks. At least it's a common piece. We'll just finish building without it. Yeah, and I think there's a new one out, a dilophosaurus build, which is super cool. Hopefully I'll find that one if it comes out here. And they've got like different themes too. They've got Star Wars, Ninjago, and I think City, and then Jurassic World when it comes to the comics. So that's pretty neat. A little bit of diversity for collecting. I don't know if I did a video before. I think I did a video on the Dr. Wu's Lab set, which came out a little while ago. Not the set, but the little one that came in these poly bags. That's also very cute. There's another set with a lab and a baby raptor, and had like an incubator. Okay, so there's the helicopter. Fairly small, pudgy, but it's got a nice shape to it. It's missing a piece. Might have went flying somewhere. Might have not, but yeah, it's just a gray slope, so I've got plenty of those to replace it with. So yeah, there's a little helicopter. I think it's adorable. Really nice set design. And there's things in the magazine that incorporated in, which is pretty cute. So let's dive into this one next. This is going to be a little bit more tricky, but we will see. And this one has a lot more pieces. This one's got 65. And these magazines are only $10 here, so that's a pretty good deal for Lego. So there's the pile. And yes, wow, that is a lot of bricks. So let's start with what we can see from the packaging. So the feet, it looks like we've got a little bit of articulation on there. So this little clip piece goes on like that. I think there's a little black one there. And like, if you're more of a fan of making your own stuff, these dinosaur builds have a lot of interesting pieces to them. Lots of elements for making things, which I find really neat. I'm not sure how many dinosaurs are in the line. From what I know, there's like 3. There might be a raptor. I think there's Dilophosaurus, Stegosaurus, and a Tyrannosaurus. But then again, they might also have like Triceratops, maybe? I don't know. So I'm assuming with the feet, they're just built like this. Oh, maybe I should have put these on first. This is a slightly more complicated build, which is nice to see. Oh, I get it. Oh, that's such a neat technique. So they put them on like that for the foot, and then put this like that. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. And I think there's also a round piece like that, and then the leg sticks on like that. That's awesome. So we'll repeat that with the other leg. Put the 2 dots on there. And these new like slope pieces are pretty cool. Flat ones. Ooh, put that wrong.